gonna try to keep this really, really short. I'm trying to document this whole build here. But what I'm doing is I'm only gluing the domino that goes into the table. I'm gonna wipe that glue down. I'm not gonna be gluing this edge here. The glue, I will not put any glue on the breadboard side. What I'm gonna be doing is when this thing gets flipped over on its back, I'm gonna be, say this is the back side, it's actually the front, but I'm gonna be drilling out holes here to put a 3/8 inch peg here. So why we don't glue any of this side is this table is going to want to expand and contract as the seasons do their thing, the humidity in the house does its thing. So by not gluing this, it's going to allow the table to do what it wants to do. And by putting the 3/8 inch peg in all of these dominoes through the bottom of this table, that's going to be a really, really strong joint. So again, I do not want any glue here. So again, quick video, I'm going to keep rolling.